Hi, and welcome once again to Tsar Events video blog, Russian Survival Guide with me, Maya Krivchenia, your young opera singer, presenting to you today a gastronomic adventure. I would like to present to you today different types of appetizers that are traditional in Russia. First, let's start with sala. Sala is what we call fatback in America, or maybe just lard. In Russia, you freeze it, and then you strip off little thin strips and put them onto bread and eat them with mustard and garlic. Not everybody enjoys this dish. The next dish is holodets, also known as frozen soup. As you can see, it is a jelly with meat, so that's why it's called frozen soup. It looks sort of like your soup is frozen. It's often eaten with mustard and horseradish. It's a very interesting dish if you like meat jellies. Next, we have solotka pashuba, or herring under a blanket. It's several different layers. First layer is herring, then beet, then potato, then carrots. On the very top we have eggs, mixed together with mayonnaise. It's a quite interesting combination, but actually a very delicious salad. Here we have Russian potato salad. It's made with peas, pickles, potatoes obviously, some type of meat, and then mayonnaise. It forms together to make a lovely dinner treat. It's often eaten around the New Year's holidays or any really special holiday with a family. Lastly, we have some small little pies. These pies are Russian favorite. Russians like pies filled with anything, maybe perhaps meat, maybe onions, maybe cabbage. You can even do fruit if you so wish. They're one of the favorite things for all Russian people to eat. So here are 5 different and interesting new types of food for you to try when you're here in Russia. I hope they will be tantalizing for your appetites.